Markets just closed, and we've got a tale of two markets unfolding before us. The Nasdaq absolutely crushed it today, up 0.9%, while the Dow barely moved. So what's really going on here? Fear is gripping the market at 22 out of 100, yet we're seeing selective strength in tech. The VIX ticked up to 17.16 from 15.03 yesterday, signaling some nervousness creeping back in. The Fed funds rate held steady at 3.62%, so nothing changed on the policy front. Let's get to the final tally on the indices. The S&P 500 closed up 28 points at 75 on 43, good for a 0.38% gain. The Nasdaq delivered the real performance today, climbing 233 points or 0.9%. The Russell 2000 small caps gained 0.39% as well. But the Dow Jones just eked out 0.2%, up barely 9 points at 52,508. That divergence tells us big tech is driving the action, while traditional blue chips are sitting this one out. Now, here's where it gets interesting with our surprise winners. Goldman Sachs exploded higher, up 9% on the day. Intel followed suit with a 4.5% rally, and our mega-cap NVIDIA couldn't resist either, gaining 4%. These gains suggest rotation back into semiconductors and financial services strength. But we've got real losers dragging on sentiment too. Salesforce dropped 2.14% despite the broader tech rally. Microsoft fell 1.55% even as analysts love the stock. And Johnson & Johnson lost 1.52%, signaling healthcare isn't participating in today's strength. Apple took a hit as well, down 0.77% after KeyBank downgraded the stock on growth concerns. Analyst consensus remains overwhelmingly bullish, though. Microsoft has 63 buy ratings against 0 sells, Amazon shows 70 buys versus 0 sells, NVIDIA lands at 64 buys with just 1 sell. These levels suggest Wall Street hasn't given up on the big names despite today's weakness. After hours is trading relatively quiet so far, but watch for any corporate news overnight. The single most important thing to monitor at tomorrow's open is whether this tech strength holds or if we see profit taking in those mega winners. If Nasdaq momentum rolls over